Hi everybody, welcome to our video podcast, Constructing the Composable Enterprise for Your Digital Marketing Strategy. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Alessandro Lavazzi, and I work as the Customer Engagement Manager at TechEdge. I have more than 10 years of experience in the domain of IT solutions with a special focus on customer engagement. We have entered an age of fast-paced technological evolution, and my aim is to help companies define their own digital transformation journey. This journey goes through the implementation of the so-called composite enterprise solutions that can raise the efficiency and effectiveness of the processes of sales, marketing, and services. This goal can be achieved by implementing a multi-channel and personalized customer experience, taking advantage of the main emerging technologies such as big data, the Internet of Things, and cloud solutions. This video series intends to provide you with some basic knowledge and tools to orientate yourself into the digital marketing world, define your own strategy, and realize your end-to-end solution. Our journey is structured in 7 episodes. Today's episode is on digital marketing strategy. First of all, we will clarify what digital marketing really means. Then we'll go on with the identification of our digital marketing strategy and the design of the digital marketing process which we want to implement. So let's start by addressing the first questions that arise when we want to define our digital marketing strategy. Our first questions will likely be along the lines of, how can I translate my customer or consumer journey into an effective digital marketing strategy? Or how do I select the right building blocks in order to build a robust and sustainable cost-effective solution? To answer these questions, we have to take a step back and first answer a simpler question. On the web, everyone is talking about a sales funnel, a customer funnel, marketing funnel, and conversion funnel. So the first basic question probably is, should I build some sort of funnel as well? Let's immediately state that all of these terms relate to the same concept, represented indeed by a funnel. Basically, it's the process of collecting all of the opportunities we are able to generate in our reference market, and then transforming these opportunities into revenues. Therefore, the answer is no. You already have one. Any company with customers already has what we call the sales funnel. That is a process for acquiring new leads, converting those leads into clients, and incentivizing the client to buy more or more often. The problem is that the sales funnel, most of the time, is not optimized, and it doesn't give digital communication channels, and this leads to a loss of clients. Therefore, the primary goal of our strategy is to digitalize and optimize the sales funnel, turning it into a digital marketing funnel in order to improve conversions and revenues. Now that we've clarified this fundamental concept, we can dive deeper and learn what a digital marketing funnel is. The representation that you see is based on the consumer lifecycle, and in particular on the client's degree of awareness regarding our offer. Every level has its related audience or consumer community, and related business actions that can be performed in order to raise the awareness and drive the customer to the next stage, right up until a new purchase. Starting from the top of the funnel, the first stage is the awareness stage, where we generate awareness about the existence of our company or brand. The community is composed of leads, or groups of unknown consumers, while the related actions are aimed at reaching the highest possible number of consumers in order to let them know that we exist and we've defined an offer. Some examples of actions at this stage are search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media advertising, and website advertising. The second stage is the consideration stage, where the consumer starts evaluating our brand or products for potential purchase. The third one is the preference stage, where the consumer's attention is focused on a specific product of ours. This is the step right before the purchase. The community in these 2 stages is composed of prospects, meaning followers and subscribers. The subsequent stage is the purchase stage, whose community is formed by customers or members. The business actions related to these 3 levels are aimed at raising the consumer's awareness by delivering them customized messages based on their own interests. This happens until the realization of the so-called conversion, which leads them to the actual purchase. Some examples are email campaigns with specific landing pages, webinars, or product recommendations through retargeting. Then we have the loyalty stage. That includes consumers that have already purchased several times, or subscribe to a loyalty program. The related business actions aim at incentivizing new purchases through special offers and discounts. Last but not least, there's the advocacy stage. Upon each purchase, a consumer quickly develops a certain opinion about our product. And if the opinion is positive, he or she will share a positive message about our product, thus contributing to the generation of new awareness amongst other potential leads. The business actions we can use for creating advocates are mainly based on customer and consumer support, which help generate positive impressions on clients that might need any help or assistance with our product. So how do we actually start the digitalization process of our funnel? We've seen the starting point and the final goal of the funnel, but there are three possible approaches. The first is acquisition. That's intended to generate interest in our business and acquire the highest number of leads. The second is activation. That means turning inactive prospects and buyers into active buyers of our products and services. The third is monetization, and that is intended to generate the highest possible revenue through specific actions conducted on active buyers. Each approach acts on a different stage of our funnel. For example, acquisition approach acts on the first three levels. It includes all the related business actions. The activation approach acts on the middle stages, so from the consideration to the purchasing stage. And the monetization approach, which acts on the last stages and focuses on customer communities. For this reason, it's the simplest approach to start designing our digital marketing strategy. Therefore, let's assume that our company decided to adopt a monetization approach. First of all, in order to design the corresponding digital marketing process, we need to identify the target audience. And we have already seen that they are the customers. At this point, our goal is to use the monetization approach in order to identify a scenario that would allow us to start a foundation project, which is aimed at the implementation of an end-to-end digital marketing solution. This is the first fundamental step towards optimization and digitalization of our funnel. It is our digital transformation. In this slide, we can see the end-to-end digital marketing process based on the selected target audience. The first step of our process consists of turning our customers into actionable. What this means is acquire information about their contact details and about their interactions with our communication channels. These elements are the input for marketing actions aimed at incentivizing the customer interaction with our company or our brand. For example, in a B2B scenario, the marketing actions that you could perform to generate monetization are webinars, live events, or direct email campaigns. On the other hand, in a B2C scenario, you could perform a loyalty campaign, a discount campaign, or direct email campaign as well. Along with marketing actions, it's key to have a consumer contact center for customer relationship management. Remember the importance of advocates. The last step consists of measuring the performance and effectiveness of the actions that we carried out by collecting the customer's feedback on their interactions and purchases. All of this in order to fine-tune our marketing actions. For example, by segmenting the target audience and offering each segment more personalized promotional content. So our final episode ends here. In the next episode, we'll identify a specific scenario within this process that will be the starting point for the construction of our end-to-end digital marketing solution. I'll see you there.